Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow apps to access the storage on your Android device. Basically, it's a special app access permission, and this is available on Android operating systems that have, let's say, Samsung Galaxy smartphones and Google Pixel phones. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your phone, if it's not already turned on, of course, and then swipe up, select the setting gear button, and then you want to go and select the apps button. So go ahead and select that. And then you want to go down and select where it says special app access. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page, you want to select the media management apps. So if you go ahead and select that, and you can allow apps to access the managed media. So you can see that apps can modify or delete media files created with other apps without asking you. And then apps must have permission to access files and media. So you can see it's turned on right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do it. And you can also go underneath modify system settings and then make sure that the app is also allowed in here too. So it has to be allowed in both of these areas. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.